Hello everyone, and welcome back. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest crypto news and price predictions. More than $500 million Shib burned in past week as Shiba Inu returns to whales' radar. Recent hours have seen several Shib transactions, resulting in rise in burn rate. According to the Shib Twitter account, more than $500 million Shib were sent to dead wallets in the past week, adding up to the hundreds of millions of Shib burned since the start of August. In the past week, over 582,646,458 Shib tokens were burned in 106 transactions. In the upper week, the amount of Shib burned was reported to be more than 711 million. Recent hours have seen several transactions carrying Shib being burned, resulting in a rise in the burn rate. At the time of publication, the Shib burn rate was up 272.56%, while 86,410,488 Shib had been burned within the last 24 hours, per the Shib website. In the last hour, an unknown address sent 60,775,594 Shib tokens to be burned in a single transaction. Shiba Inu returns to whales' radar. The whale tracking service, WhaleStats, reports that Shib has returned among the top 10 purchased tokens among the 500 biggest ETH whales in the last 24 hours. Whales resumed accumulation once more after recent profit-taking that led to a significant decline in Shiba Inu's price. As reported earlier by You Today, retail holders were seen scooping up the Shib dumped by large investors. However, the current whale buy-up is still yet to be felt in the general balance of the top 100 Shiba Inu holders owing to prior profit-taking. WhaleStats analysis of the top 100 Shiba Inu holders reflected a slight decrease, 0.0065% of the average Shib balance of this category of addresses. Whales trading volumes and average Shib value also declined by 97.38% and 1.8%, respectively, in the last 24 hours. Net flow was also in the negative at 103.93%. According to CoinMarketCap, Shiba Inu was trading at 4.13 at the time of publication, marginally down in the last 24 hours. There is still slight selling pressure in the market as cryptocurrencies attempt a rebound after Friday's massive sell-off. Per WhaleStats data, the top 5,000 ETH whales are currently hodling $159,673,102 worth of Shib. Likewise, the Shiba Inu governance token, BONE, was seeing utility from whales, being among the most used smart contracts among the top 1,000 ETH whales in the last 24 hours. Shiba Inu social mentions reach highest point in 3 months. Shib sets personal record for social mentions this summer. According to crypto social intelligence portal Lunar Crush, Shib set a personal 3-month record of daily mentions in social networks. According to the information provided, the number of mentions of the main token of the Shiba Inu project reached 88,900 on August 21st, while the total number of references to Shib in social networks in 90 days amounted to 3.51 million. By the way, if you want to support, please support by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. Diving into Lunar Crush's data on social media activity with Shib, we can see that despite the large number of mentions, the number of social engagements with the token rarely shows outstanding values. Nevertheless, during the Shib price pump of nearly 40% last weekend, more users became engaged and involved in what is happening with Shiba Inu. What is more surprising is that although the number of mentions of Shib in social networks also reacted to the pump and dump of the token price accordingly, the record of this metric was set today, when there were no preconditions for it. It is unknown what could have caused such a surge of other mentions. It is possible that this explosion in social networks was created artificially, or, for example, is due to active exchange of Vietnamese users' opinions about the game Shiba Eternity, which has become very popular in that South Asian country. Shib keeps being actively used by 500 largest Ethereum holders. Shib is still on whales' radar despite massive sellout. As reported by WhaleStats, which tracks transactions of Ethereum's largest holders, Shib has become one of the most used smart contracts by the top 500 whales in the past 24 hours. The overall statistics on the main token of the Shiba Inu project remains mixed, which generally correlates with a recent drop in its quotes. The source also reports a significant decrease in the trading volume of Shib of Ethereum whales with a simultaneous decrease in net inflows and the transition of this indicator to the negative zone. In addition, a significant decrease of Shib's weight in the total portfolio of all major token holders is worth noting. Previously, Shib held the second largest position, yielding only to USDC, but now its value is only 5.32% of the total value, which is equivalent to a position of $157.86 million. New burning protocol sees Shib's burn rate surge by greater than 1,000%. Shiba Inu, as a community, has seen many different events transpire since its inception. Most of these developments have been aimed at aiding Shib's price above the $1 mark. However, these developments haven't been as successful as one would have expected. Nonetheless, the ecosystem continues to prosper. New day, new you? Shib's performance remains dependent on the coin's burn rate, wherein tokens are transferred to non-spendable wallets, thereby shorting the supply while the demand continues to hike, i.e., in a bid to reduce the token's supply, which could lead to higher prices in the future as it becomes more scarce. Travis Johnson, developer of Shib burn games for smartphones, has now released a new website that burns Shiba Inu. In a tweet, Johnson stated, "Some of you have noticed the website listed on Shib Superstore. This website does burn Shib, but I do not want it to take away focus from the burning games. Playzone earns only through website visits, the games pay royalties to their creators." Shib Superstore, as reported by Gfinity Esports, contributed to the destruction of over 2 billion Shib tokens. In addition, Shiba Inu partnered alongside Amazon, one of the globe's biggest and best e-commerce platforms. Following the same, Johnson tweeted that in August, he managed to burn 14,804,845 Shib via an affiliate program with Amazon. Night changes. The aforementioned development on the network saw Shiba Inu's burn rate surge by 1,167%, as per data from token burn tracking portal Shibburn on Friday. At press time, the burn rate had registered a fresh 26% uptick. Meanwhile, the Shibburn Twitter account reported that over the last 24 hours, the Shib army managed to send a total of 105,165,658 Shiba tokens to non-spendable wallets to be permanently locked. On the other hand, dominant buyers aka whales acquired more of the tokens here. By the way, if you want to support, please support by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. In fact, as per whale stats, Shib made a re-entry into the top 10 list among the 500 biggest ETH whales over the last 24 hours. This surely brought some relief within the damaged network, as Ethereum, ETH whales were dumping their Shib holdings previously. Having said that, Shib's price, despite such significant support, projected a bearish picture. At the time of writing, Shib was recording a fresh 2% correction as it slid back towards the 4010 level. 3 reasons why Shiba Inu has potential to beat the slump. Ethereum whales hold on to their Shiba Inu holdings worth over $163 million, fueling bullish sentiment among Shib holders. Despite massive profit-taking when Shib hit the 4017, large wallet investors have a bullish outlook on the meme coin. Shiba Inu is now accepted as payment at top US retailer Best Buy, boosting Shib adoption. Shiba Inu is currently in a downtrend, and analysts believe the meme sin is prepared to recover from its slump. 3 bullish developments in Shiba Inu could fuel the meme coin's price rally. Whales hold on to Shib holdings despite the slump. Shiba Inu witnessed a peak in profit-taking when the meme coin's price hit 4017 last week. Based on data from crypto intelligence tracker Santiment, the spike in price coincided with profit-taking by large wallet investors. Whales shed their Shiba Inu holdings to book profits, however since August 15, large wallet investors have held their Shib. According to whale stats, Ethereum whales currently hold $163 million worth of Shiba Inu in their portfolio. Typically, whales sitting on Shib holdings is considered a bullish sign for the meme coins. Spike in whale activity coincides with local tops in Shiba Inu, therefore proponents consider it likely that large wallet investors are waiting for the next move in Shib price. Shiba Inu accepted as payment at Best Buy. Best Buy, one of the largest electronic retailers, now accepts Shiba Inu as payment through BitPay. The payment processor facilitates the acceptance of Shib as payment at Best Buy. This development has fueled the adoption of Shib among holders. Another key driver of Shib's recovery is the meme coin's social dominance. Lunar Crush, a crypto intelligence platform, argues that Shiba Inu's social mentions hit their highest point in 90 days. Shiba Inu's social mentions hit 89,660. This is a feat for the meme coin, despite its current downtrend. Shiba Inu could recover from its slump if demand for the meme coin increases. With wider acceptance across major retailers and its increasing social dominance, Shib could recoup its losses soon. Shiba Inu price has sustained above the key level of 4013, marked by Peter Brandt. The analyst argued that a decline below this level could result in a massive drop in Shiba Inu. Multiple levels defend 4012 support. Good time to buy Shib? The Shib USDT pair wavered in an inverted head and shoulder pattern from mid-May to August. The meme coin showed multiple failed attempts to breach the 4012 neckline resistance during these 3 months, validating it as a strong resistance zone. However, on August 12, the Shib price gave a bullish breakout from this neckline resistance. Key points from Shib analysis. The Shib chart indicates the support confluence at 4012 could replenish the bullish momentum. A breakdown below 4012 support would invalidate the bullish thesis. The intraday trading volume of the Shiba Inu coin is $885.6 million, indicating an 11.62% loss. The post-retest rally from pattern breakout aligned with the upcoming burn event this month brought massive buying pressure in the market. As a result, the Shib price surged 34% and hit the 4017 mark on August 14. However, in response to the profit booking from short-term traders, the price reverted immediately. Moreover, amid the correction phase in the crypto market and the US Fed news of increasing interest rate in September, the altcoin plugged back to 4012. The Shib price dropped 25% in the past 5 days and retested the breached neckline resistance. Moreover, the 4012 support aligned with the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level and 50-day EMA, indicating a higher area of interest for potential buyers. The lower price rejection candle on August 19 reflects the buyers are wrestling for trend control. If the Shib price sustains above the confluence support, the resulting rally may surpass the 4017 mark and hit the 4020 psychological level. On a contrary note, if the overall market continues to face selling pressure, the Shib price may lose the 4012 support and will be threatened to reach the 4010 mark. By the way, if you want to support, please support by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. Technical indicator, Relative Strength Index. Despite a significant correction, the daily RSI slope holds above the neutral line, indicating the market participants remain bullish for Shiba Inu. Bollinger Band Indicator. The coin price plunged to the indicator's midline, offering another footing for buyers to sustain above the 4012 level. The price moving above the midline maintains a bullish outlook. Resistance levels 4015 and 4017. Support levels 4012 and 4010. Shiba Inu Coin's 2025 predictions. Before reading further, we must understand that market predictions of different analysts widely vary. A good number of times, these predictions will prove to be wrong as analysts cannot always foresee events such as political or environmental crises. It is wise that an investor conducts their own research before investing in a cryptocurrency, especially in something as volatile as Shib. For instance, a Changelly blog post claimed that after studying Shib prices and market fluctuations, experts predict that Shib could go as high as 4050 and as low as 4041. Its potential ROI for the said year is predicted to be 322%, with its average price remaining 4043. Telegown concurred, finding that according to some crypto experts, Shiba Inu coin's price can hit a new ATH in 2025. On the contrary, even though they expect enough tokens being burnt this year, they are not so hopeful about its price rise in 2022. They predict the maximum and minimum prices of Shib to be 3019 and 4098, respectively. Its average price was predicted to be around 3011. Shiba Inu coin's 2030 predictions. The aforementioned Changelly blog post also mentioned that in 2030, Shib will be traded at an average price of 3030. Its maximum and minimum prices will be 3035 and 3029, respectively. The potential ROI for Shib in 2030 is predicted to be 2,878%. Now, there's good reason to believe why Shib's price might hike on the charts. For instance, according to many, if users burn enough tokens, a cryptocurrency's acceptance is bound to increase. That being said, the meme coin must cultivate a host of different use cases too. And, not everyone agrees with whatever utility meme coins like Doge and Shib might have either. Ripple's CEO Brad Garlinghouse, for instance, believes that this asset class isn't good for the market at large. In fact, it has often been speculated that these assets are part of a bubble. Shiba Inu-led developer unveils more plans for upcoming Shiba Eternity game. With Shiba Eternity close to making its official debut, Shitoshi Kusama, the lead developer of Shiba Inu, has lined up lots of plans for the game. Gossip Shib, an official member of the Shiba Inu portal, noted in a recent tweet that Kusama revealed more details about Shiba Eternity, Shib's upcoming collectible card game. Kusama disclosed that the game developers would add tournaments in Shiba Eternity, which will enable players to earn rewards. He said the tournament is part of an effort where the Shiba Inu team will give back to the community. Kusama stated, "But I want to be able to have tournaments where we give back." However, it is not clear what assets the Shiba Inu team is planning to reward players with. Kusama noted that more details about tournament rewards would be discussed when Shiba Eternity is released. A Discord user inquired about what plans are lined up for Shiboshi, Shiba Inu's non-fungible token. In response, Kusama said, "Shiboshis essentially act as membership." Kusama further said that there would be some rarest legendary cards, and these cards would be legendary because they would be based on actual Shiboshis. Official game may differ from test version. So far, Shiba Eternity has been undergoing rigorous testing, as the team is eager to deploy the game in earnest. Shiba Inu is confident that Shiba Eternity will be widely adopted by cryptocurrency community members when it eventually ships due to its uniqueness. Based on this expectation, the team is making plans to bolster Shiba Eternity's server by 50x once the game launches. So far, Shiba Eternity testing has gone relatively well. However, Kusama hinted that the team could make a few adjustments in the period leading to the game's official launch. By the way, if you want to support, please support by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. This was revealed after a Discord user dubbed Metaman asked whether the full game would change much from the test version. Not too much, but that's going to be decided by the decentralized Shib team. The cards should remain, but there will have to be adjustments of this version to any other distributor that takes the game, Kusama said. It is noteworthy that Shiba Eternity is part of efforts made by the team to shred its meme coin title. Will history repeat itself for Shiba Inu long-term holders? Shiba Inu fell to number 13 in market value according to CoinMarketCap as the meme coin price plunged. The altcoin, which has recently enjoyed moments of sustained rallies, was trading at 4.13 at press time. This price represented a 12.91% decrease from its 24-hour status. Before the capitulation, Shib was largely in the greens. Between the 14th of August and the 15th of August, Shib increased from 4.12 to hit 4.17. Despite some decline, the altcoin was able to sustain a good level at 4.15 up until the 18th of August. While the reason for this fall might have been related to the Bitcoin price decrease, other things occurred. Time to redeem. According to Santiment, both Dogecoin and Shiba Inu have both been the victims of profit-taking whales. The on-chain analysis platform also mentioned that it was a routine for the whales, especially as some parts of the week produced profits. Shib data further revealed that these transactions were in large sums. This, obviously, would have led to a capitulation, and the drastic fall was not surprising. Additionally, the outcome may have been unsurprising as Ethereum whales were dumping their Shib holdings earlier. However, there was a positive update to look at around the Shib ecosystem, the burn rate. While a decreased burn rate led to a price uptick about 2 weeks back, the recent one did the reverse. At press time, the Shib burn rate had surged over 225% with over 224 million Shib burned. As expected, the whale activity also affected Shib's volume and active addresses. A look at Santiment showed that Shib's volume, which was about $4.35 billion on the 15th of August, was now less than $900 million. The active addresses also followed a similar pattern, moving from 12,670 on the aforementioned date to 5,094 at press time. So what's next? For Shib investors, hoping for an uptick in the short term might sound too soon. Its 4-hour chart revealed that Shib had been losing since the 18th of August up till the time of writing. In fact, it was almost losing the 4.012 support after falling from the 4.014 level. Also, the moving average convergence divergence was massively below the zero level of the histogram, showing that the sellers were in control. Shiba Inu holders' fortune prediction for next week. As anticipated in the previous article, Shiba Inu snapped the 4012 mark after forming a bullish rectangle bottom setup. While sellers showed near-term resistance at the 4017 mark, buyers would strive for continued growth amidst the recent bullish engulfing candlestick. On the flip side, the sellers could aim to inflict a pullback toward the 20 EMA before a likely rebound. At press time, Shib traded at 4014, down by 6.8% in the last 24 hours. For over 2 months, Shib buyers faced recovery barriers in the 4012 region. As a result, this choppy movement led to a sideways track in the daily chart. Meanwhile, the bulls kept building up on their underlying pressure reflected in the form of higher lows over the last few weeks. Consequently, Shib formed an ascending triangle on the daily chart and reflected a visible bullish edge. Further, the north-looking 20 EMA and the 50 assumed immediate support post their recent bullish crossover. The eventual breakout candlestick on the 14th of August entailed a massive uptick in buying volumes. Owing to the bullish engulfing candlestick, an immediate recovery above the 4015 mark can make way for an extended recovery. In this case, Shib could witness a recovery toward the 4017 to 4020 range. An inability to find a close above this mark would only provoke a sluggish phase near the EMAs. After swiftly piercing through the 70 mark, the overbought relative strength index saw a slight pullback over the last few days. The buyers must strive to maintain a spot above the 59 level support to heighten the chances of continued recovery. Also, the accumulation, distribution indicators' lower troughs were rather flat while bullishly diverging with the price. A sustained close below its immediate support could delay the near-term recovery prospects. By the way, if you want to support, please support by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. Conclusion: given the bullish engulfing breakout candlestick on high volumes alongside the north-looking 20/50ths EMA, buyers would strive to maintain their edge. Any reversals toward the 20 EMA could hint at a plausible dull phase. The targets would remain the same as discussed, but the alt shares a 59% 30-day correlation with Bitcoin. Hence, keeping an eye on Bitcoin's movement with the overall market sentiment could be essential to identify any bullish invalidations. Doge and Shib succumb to U.S. economic indicators and hawkish Fed speak. Doge and Shib remain under pressure following a second session in the red. Failure to move through the pivots would deliver another loss. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu coin saw deep red for a second consecutive session on Thursday. Investor sentiment towards the latest U.S. economic indications and the Fed left the pair on the back foot. Despite the bearish session, the technical indicators are bullish, supporting Dogecoin's number 10 ranking and Shib's move towards the number 11 spot. On Thursday, Dogecoin fell by 6.85%. Following a 7.55% slide on Thursday, Doge ended the day at $0.074. Shiba Inu coin joined Doge deep red, falling by 8.80% to 4013. On Wednesday, Shib declined by 6.51%. A range-bound morning saw Shib rise to a high of 4015 before sliding to a final hour low of 4013. The reversal saw Shib fall through the first major support level at 4014 and briefly through the second major support level at 4013. Market forces sink Doge and Shib on bets of a 75 basis point hike. There were no news updates to send Doge and Shib into the red for a second session. U.S. economic indicators and FOMC member chatter sent the meme coins and the broader crypto market into negative territory. In August, the Philly Fed Manufacturing Index increased from -12.3 to +6.2. The numbers were in stark contrast to the NY Empire State Manufacturing numbers. In August, the NY Empire State Manufacturing Index slid from 11.1 to -31.3. Jobless claims were also upbeat. While falling by just 2K to 250K, the decline was the first since the week ending May 20th. Shib's Kusama talks about Shiba Eternity, tournaments, legendary cards, other exciting details. Shiba Eternity is currently on its early test run in Vietnam. The game has no definite release date yet. Shib was trading down 10.32% at 4013. Shiba Eternity, the first mobile CCG title from the Shiba Inu ecosystem, is not yet out, but Shitoshi Kusama, the pseudonymous lead developer of the dog-themed altcoin, has a lot of plans for the game, including launching tournaments and giving rewards. The early test run of Shiba Eternity is phenomenal, with the team needing to boost the gameplay server by 50-fold a few days after launch because of overwhelming demand. And while the game is yet to get its official release date and download day, Kusama shared some more interesting details about the game and the future of Shiba Inu games as a whole. Former Shiba Growth member and social media influencer Gossip Shib shared via Twitter on Thursday that Kusama, on Discord over the weekend, talked about Shiba Eternity and their dream of developing more in the future. Kusama noted that they want to be able to have tournaments where we give back. One Discord user inquired about rewards with Shiboshis or the Shiba Inu generated NFTs, to which Kusama promised to discuss rewards at release, adding that Shiboshi will essentially act as membership. Kusama also briefly discussed in the Shiba Inu official Discord about legendary cards and what makes them unique. According to the lead developer, legendary cards are the rarest cards, and what makes their trait legendary is not only their rarity score but because they are actually based on actual Shiboshis. As to whether the game will change from its early test version, Kusama said, not too much. However, they noted that the decision depends on the decentralized Shib team. The cards should remain, but there will have to be adjustments of this version to any other distributor that takes the game, they said in response to a fan. The difference between us and other companies is this: when they make $XXXM, they do things and profit. When we make $XXXM, we do things and burn Shib and reward and research and develop, etc., etc., Kusama underlined. Fandom will list the story behind the game. It's not just a game. It's a whole universe, the lead developer noted, responding to a commenter who asked what a fandom story is. Yes, not that soon enough. Game first. Then Shibarium. Then game on Shibarium, Kusama answered when a commenter asked if Shiba Eternity would be available in Shibarium too. Shibarium is Shiba Inu's upcoming Layer 2 solution. By the way, if you want to support, please support by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. Based on Kusama's answers, as well as on earlier reports, Shiba Eternity is just the first entry to a series of projects the development team is planning to launch. Since the initiative was announced in November 2021, it is known that the Shiba Inu game features a couple of titles split into an NFT game and a classic mobile game. So far, the team is focused on the mobile game aspect as testing is now live for Vietnamese players. However, it appears that when the game officially launches worldwide, Shiba Inu will introduce the NFT aspect of Shiba Eternity, with Kusama making that clear in their response to one of the commenters who asked about potential changes from an early test to an official release. Shiba Eternity is the latest initiative unveiled to expand the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Shibarium is also anticipated to launch this year and Shib, the metaverse, the community's version of the metaverse, sometime soon. Despite having a massive run on the market and significantly increasing in value, Shiba Inu is now actively battling with a strong resistance level, trying to break the 200-day moving average resistance for the last couple of days. Unfortunately, the meme coin failed to do that and reversed back below 4016. Additionally, the 200-day moving average correlates with the 50-week moving average on a longer timeframe, which makes the 4016 threshold even harder to break through. If Shiba Inu succeeds, the most likely scenario will be moving toward the next resistance on the chart, located almost 35% above the current price level. At the moment of publication, Shib is changing hands at 4014. This group of Shiba Inu and Doge investors caused 23% plunge. Those who started rally also caused its end. As we have covered in our recent crypto market reviews, the fading of the meme currency rally was most likely inevitable as volume profiles and the behavior of large investors were hinting at the upcoming reversal, and the investors who started the rally are the ones who ended it. Shiba Inu is back at beginning. According to the daily chart of the assets, Shib's value has reversed back to the value we saw on August 19, which means that the result of the most recent rally was nullified and the token's price returned to the same level we have been seeing since the beginning of the month. The main reason behind the reversal was the increased profit taking from whales who were at the foundation of this 25% rally from the beginning. The high number of large transactions on the Shiba Inu network foreshadowed the massive profit taking that provided too much selling pressure and derailed the short-term price increase. Large transactions topping out at local high. As data provided by Sentiment suggests, we saw an exact point where the local top was reached as both Dogecoin and Shiba Inu whales have been actively moving their funds toward exchanges, causing a massive spike in the number of transactions worth more than $100,000. Dogecoin has also dropped to the level we have been seeing for the last 60 days as the meme coin entered the consolidation channel at around 7 cents and has not been able to perform breakthrough. Considering the lack of trading volume, another reversal and pump are unlikely to happen in upcoming days, especially without the support of whale investors on both assets. By the way, if you want to support, please support by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. Shiba Inu burn rate suddenly jumps 322%, Shib price approaches key support. This shows that burning activities are resuming across board. Per the Shibburn website, the burn rate of Shiba Inu has suddenly increased by 322%. The Shiba Inu burn rate was down earlier, as reported by You Today. This shows that burning activities are resuming across the board, although the amount of Shib burned remains lower than usual. The recent Shiba Inu rally shifted investors' attention to buying and hodling, leading to a decrease in the amount of Shiba Inu being sent to dead wallets. Over the weekend, Shiba Inu posted an impressive rise, gaining more than 35% in one swoop. The Shib Burn Twitter handle reports a small amount of 64,506,471 Shib tokens burned in 10 transactions. Aside from this, a few million Shib were sent to dead wallets in different transactions in recent hours. In the last hour, 4,854,572 Shib tokens were burned in a single transaction. Shiba Inu nears key support. Shiba Inu may be forming a tight bull pennant for a possible breakout followed by parabolic upside moves. Nearest target will be 4020, although with parabolic moves price could breach any resistance as long as buying momentum persists, Bitru analysts noted. A bull pennant is a triangular flag shape that signals a continuation. At the time of publication, Shiba Inu was trading down 5.81% at 4014. It remains 17% up weekly. Shiba Inu's price dipped to lows of 4014 before slightly retracing. This is a hair above the 4014 level, which marked a barrier confirmed in May. Shiba Inu seems to be in the process of converting this key level into support if the price sustains at current levels. The Relative Strength Index, a momentum indicator, might suggest that the Shiba Inu price might be poised for a short-term move. The indicator is currently above the 60 level, which suggests an edge to buyers in the meantime. If buyers emerge at current prices, the barrier remains at 4018 and above it at 4021. In the case of further declines, Shib might find support near 4012. U.S. economic indicators deliver crypto support. On Tuesday, prelim private sector PMIs from the U.S. delivered crypto market support. According to prelim figures, the U.S. composite PMI fell from 47.7 to 45.0, reflecting a more marked contraction across the private sector. The all-important services sector was the drag, with the PMI falling from 47.3 to 44.1. With the service sector accounting for more than 70% of the U.S. economy, the latest figures raise the prospect of a U.S. economic recession. Despite this, the crypto market responded favorably to the numbers. The dire services PMI could force the Fed to take the foot off the gas, a positive for riskier assets. However, recession fears will ultimately be crypto market negative, the Tuesday stats providing just a temporary reprieve. Shiba Inu coin price action. At the time of writing, Shib was down 0.83% to 4013. A mixed start to the day saw Shib strike an early high of 4013 before sliding to a low of 4013. Shib came up against the first major resistance level at 40,135. Technical indicators. Shib needs to avoid a fall through the 40,132 pivot to retarget the first major resistance level at 40,135 and the morning high of 40,135. Shib would need a material shift in risk appetite to support a return to 40,135. In the case of a broad-based crypto rally, Shib should test the second major resistance level at 40,137. The third major resistance level sits at 40,143. A fall through the pivot would bring the first major support level at 40,130 into play. Barring another extended sell-off throughout the day, Shib should avoid sub-40,125. The second major support level at 40,126 should limit the downside. By the way, if you want to support, please support by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. The third major support level sits at 40,120. The EMAs send a bearish signal, with Shib sitting below the 100-day EMA, currently at 40134. This morning, the 50-day EMA closed in on the 100-day EMA, with the 100-day EMA narrowing to the 200-day EMA, both bearish signals. A Shib move through the 100-day EMA would support a run at R1 in the 50-day EMA. However, failure to move through the 100-day EMA would bring S1 in the 200-day EMA into view. Dogecoin price action. At the time of writing, Doge was down 1.62% to $0.06772. A choppy start to the day saw Doge strike an early high of $0.069 before falling to a low of $0.067. Technical indicators. Doge needs to move through the $0.068 pivot to test the first major resistance level at $0.069. Doge would need a pickup in market risk appetite to support a breakout from the Tuesday high of $0.069. In an extended crypto rally, Doge should test the second major resistance level at $0.070. The third major resistance level sits at $0.073. Failure to move through the pivot would leave the first major support level at $0.067 in play. Barring an extended sell-off, the second major support level at $0.066 should limit the downside. The third major support level sits at $0.063. The EMAs sent a bearish signal, with Doge below the 200-day EMA, currently at $0.071. This morning, the 50-day EMA closed in on the 200-day EMA, with the 100-day EMA narrowing to the 200-day EMA, both bearish signals. However, a bearish cross of the 50-day EMA through the 200-day EMA would bring the major support level into view. Shiba Inu price mulls over the next 50% rally. Shiba Inu price consolidates after undoing the recent 33% upswing. A retest of the volume point of control at 4012 could be key in triggering another 50% rally. A daily candlestick close below 4012 will invalidate the bullish thesis. Shiba Inu price seems to be back at square one after undoing its recent yet explosive rally. This development comes as Bitcoin price also tumbled down from $25,000. However, the meme coin is likely to provide another opportunity before triggering an aggressive rally. Shiba Inu price finds launchpad. Shiba Inu price inflated by nearly 35% in a single daily candlestick on August 14 and set up a swing high at 4018. While this impressive rally was seen in Dogecoin price afterwards, Shib seems to have lost its momentum, leading to a reversal. Roughly 4 days later, the gins witnessed were completely undone due to an increase in selling pressure from investors booking profits. The ongoing Shib retracement is likely to move a little lower and retest the point of control at 4012, which serves as a support floor. Since this point is the highest traded volume level, it will likely induce Shiba Inu buyers to step up and absorb the incoming selling pressure. Such a development could see Shib trigger a minor rally, which market participants can capitalize on. The resulting uptrend could push Shiba Inu price to either create a double top at 4018 or push through it and set up a swing high at 4020. This move could constitute a 50% upswing. On the other hand, if Shiba Inu price fails to stay above the POC at 4012, it will denote a surging seller activity. In such a case, a daily candlestick close below the aforementioned level will invalidate the Shib recovery outlook and potentially trigger a 10% drop to retest the 4010 foothold. By the way, if you want to support, please support by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. 111 million Shiba Inu burnt by mysterious wallet, 213 million in 24 hours as burn rate spikes 99%. Every day millions of Shiba Inu burns continue. Over 213.06 million Shiba Inu were burnt by the Shiba Inu community within the past 24 hours. The burn rate for the Shiba Inu token accelerates as one of the mysterious wallets has incinerated 111.63 M Shib in 2 separate transactions. As per a recent tweet from shibaburn.com, the Shiba Inu community has burned a whopping total of 213,067,021 Shib tokens in 14 separate transactions in the past 24 hours. The burn rate for the most popular canine-themed cryptocurrency, Shiba Inu, spiked over 99% as one of the mysterious wallets sent a total of 111,635,927 to the Inferno addresses in 2 separate transactions. According to our search, Etherscan data shows that in the first transaction, the mysterious wallet incinerated 61,708,497 Shib. After a few hours, the same wallet performed a second transaction and took out 49,927,430 Shib from circulation forever, Etherscan.io reports. Doge and Shib face a testy session as recession fears resurface. Doge and Shib see early gains reverse this morning, with the reality of Tuesday's U.S. services PMI hitting home. U.S. stats will influence further later today. Key insights: Dogecoin and Shiba Inu coin found much-needed support on Tuesday. Investor fears of a U.S. economic recession took a back seat despite the weak service sector PMI. Technical indicators continue to turn bearish, suggesting a downward price trend for Doge and Shib. On Tuesday, Dogecoin rose by 0.62%, partially reversing a 1.28% fall from Monday. Doge ended the day at $0.06884. Shiba Inu coin joined Doge in the green, rising by 1.22% to end the day at 4.013. On Monday, Shib fell by 2.45%. A choppy Tuesday session saw Doge fall to a mid-morning low of $0.06688 before striking a high of $0.06922. Shib slid to a day low of 4.012 before hitting a high of 4.013. Doge and Shib left the major resistance levels untested, while Shib tested the first major support level at 4.128. On Tuesday, crypto news updates took a backseat, with investors tuned into U.S. economic indicators and the Fed. Supported by Binance Argentina Card, users can now use their assets for purchases. Holders of Shiba Inu, Cardano and other cryptocurrencies supported by the Binance Argentina Card can now use their assets to make their purchases and pay bills at over 90 million MasterCard merchants worldwide, both in store and online. As was made known by MasterCard CEO Michael Miebach, the Binance Card pilot has kicked off in Argentina. The Binance Card was previously introduced as part of a partnership between Binance and MasterCard to bridge the gap between cryptocurrency and regular purchases. At the time, it was stated that Argentina would be the first to have the product in Latin America. The announcement by Binance to include XRP, Shib and AVAX on the Binance Card was similarly welcomed. 14 cryptocurrencies, including BUSD, USDT, USDC, BTC, BNB, ETH, ADA, DOT, SOL, MANA, SXP, XRP, Shib and AVAX, are currently supported by the Binance Argentina Card. Crypto holders can now spend at 90 million MasterCard merchants as stated on the Binance FAQ information page. All new and current Binance users in Argentina may use the Binance Card to conduct cryptocurrency-based transactions and pay bills at more than 90 million MasterCard merchant locations globally, both in store and online. The Binance Argentina Card can be used anywhere in the world at any MasterCard merchant, it stated. Users can benefit from cryptocurrencies instantly exchanged for fiat money at the point of sale, as well as from earning up to 8% in crypto cash back on eligible purchases and paying no fees for ATM withdrawals. By the way, if you want to support, please support by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. Cryptocurrencies as payment methods are gaining increasing traction. As reported by You Today, Shiba Inu holders of other cryptocurrencies supported by BitPay can now spend their assets to purchase electronics, computers, appliances, cell phones, video games and more at the top U.S. consumer electronics retailer, Best Buy, via BitPay gift cards. From luxury watchmakers such as Tag Heuer, Hublot and Breitling, to fast food delivery companies such as Uber Eats, the acceptance of cryptocurrencies as payments continues to grow. Shib burn rate surges 90% as Shib Army burns 390 million Shib with Amazon's contribution. 390 million Shib moved from circulation over past 48 hours, part of it was wired with help of Amazon giant and new Shib burn website. Shibburn portal has spread the word that, in the last 2 days, roughly 1/3 of a billion Shiba Inu were sent to unspendable wallets, currently raising the Shib burn rate. According to a tweet from an active burner of Shiba Inu tokens, part of this amount was eliminated via Amazon and the new Shib burn portal. 390 million Shib gone, burn rate up 90% in a recent tweet. Shibburn stated that in the past 24 hours, it has spotted that a total of 213,067,021 Shib were removed from the supply of the second most popular canine token in circulation. This was achieved in 14 transactions and pushed the overall burn rate of Shib up more than 90%. Prior to that, as covered by You Today earlier, 176,545,974 Shiba Inu had been burned in 29 transfers in dead-end wallets. On Tuesday, the Shib burn rate was up 256.13%, according to the Shibburn website. Shib burned via Amazon and new burn website at Shib_Superstore Twitter account that represents the online shop of Travis Johnson game dev has reported that, on Monday, they had earned another $89 in order to buy Shib with it later on to be burned next Sunday. Part of this money was made via the affiliate program with Amazon that Shib Superstore of the aforementioned game developer joined earlier this year. According to a recent tweet, commissions from this program have constituted $22. It also mentioned that the new website that burns Shib, Playzone Online, has also contributed $5 worth of Shib. That is less than 1 million meme tokens. $157.3 million in Shib settled down in Whale's wallets according to data shared by Whale Stats Wallet Tracker on its website. By now, the top 100 whales on Ethereum have acquired $157,326,168 worth of Shiba Inu. This is the equivalent of 11,909,626,646,479 K9 tokens. Since Tuesday, these whales have bought more Shib and increased their holdings of this meme token by $17 million from $140,264,215 in Shiba Inu. Prior to that, they had sold 1,444,866,920,152 Shib. These whales speculate on Shiba Inu, first buying large amounts of these tokens and then selling them after even a tiny price increase. By now, Shib has also managed to return to 4th place from the 5th position it occupied yesterday. Shiba Inu has undiscovered price potential. Crypto Market Review. Shiba Inu's potential is still high as asset does not have any issues with holding against selling pressure on market. As the correction on the cryptocurrency market continues for the 9th consecutive day, some cryptocurrencies, Shib included, are showing signs of a reversal as the trading volume is reaching an extremely low. Shiba Inu enters standby mode. The trading volume of Shiba Inu has dropped extremely low once again as the interest in the token dropped back to the pre-pump level. Considering the lack of movement and a swift reversal, investors are no longer interested in risk exposure. With the trading volume on Shib dropping down, the liquidity of the asset should also be at an extremely low level. With the decreasing liquidity and volatility of the token, the possibility of a price spike becomes more possible. The only positive factor that speaks in favor of the token is the lack of selling pressure, which means that Shiba Inu will be able to move up despite the most recent correction, considering the asset remains in the ascending range. Bitcoin is still in trouble as covered in our most recent article. BTC remains under pressure, considering the variety of negative factors around it. Decreasing liquidity, dominance of Ethereum derivative products and risk signals entering high-risk zone, pushing even more investors away from digital gold. By the way, if you want to support, please support by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. For the last 4 months, the essential reason behind the performance of Bitcoin remained the same: the strict monetary policy of the United States that dictates the situation on stocks and digital assets markets and directly affects the strategy of retail and even institutional investors. With the cycle of rate hikes, the Federal Reserve fueled the rally of the US dollar against the bracket of foreign currencies, which caused an almost immediate drop on any kind of assets trading in USD. Analysts expect this kind of market conditions to float around until the end of this year and potentially the beginning of 2023. The best performing cryptocurrency despite the correction on the market, there are few assets that overperform most digital assets, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. Today's leader is Chiliz, with more than a 20% price increase in the last 24 hours. The price of the cryptocurrency broke through the local high of 23 cents and is now trading at around $0.235. As we have mentioned previously, CHZ was picked up by speculative traders after the massive 115% rally that was fueled after the news of the platform's partnership with a British famous football club. According to technical indicators like the volume profiles, the rally of CHZ is nowhere near the end as traders are actively buying and selling assets, providing enough liquidity and volatility to keep the token in the top of assets by market capitalization. 1.4 trillion Shib sold by whales overnight as Shib drops to 4th place among holdings. Recent dump of massive amount of Shiba Inu has pushed this meme cryptocurrency lower on top 10 list of holdings. Whale Stats on-chain data platform, focused on analyzing several major blockchains, including Ethereum, BSC and Polygon, has tweeted that the trendy canine coin Shib has slumped to 4th place on the top 10 scale of assets held by the largest whales on Ethereum. It happened after the whales decided to get rid of some of their Shib holdings and sold nearly 1.5 trillion of these meme tokens. 1.4 trillion Shib dumped on market as per data from the Whale Stats website. The amount of Shiba Inu held by the largest 100 ETH investors has significantly shrunk overnight. On Monday, as covered by You Today earlier, these whales held $159,673,102 worth of Shib. At the time of this writing, their wallets contain $140,264,215 in Shiba Inu. The difference in Shib constitutes a total of 1,444,866,920,152 coins. This is how much they sold after Shib demonstrated a small rise by nearly 3%. However, this tiny rise is enough for fixing profit from selling a massive amount of coins. Also, the canine token has slumped from 3rd place to 5th. Shib now comprises 3.05% of their portfolio. David Gokhshtein hopes Shib will hit 1 cent less than a week ago. David Gokhshtein, CEO of PAC Protocol, founder of the media platform named after himself and former US congressional candidate, tweeted that he hoped Shiba Inu would reach the 1 cent level soon. Gokhshtein has been bullish on Shib and supportive of it throughout the year, lavishly posting tweets on this meme cryptocurrency. Shib burn rate spikes 256.13% as 176 million tokens get burned. Recent amount of Shib burned by community has led to spike in burn rate. The Shib army continues to gradually remove small lumps of Shiba Inu from the circulating supply, burning tokens every hour. This time, they have managed to raise the burn rate by sending over 176 million meme tokens to dead-end wallets. Burn rate soars. 176 million Shib burned. The Shibburn platform that burns Shib and tracks burn transactions of other users and organizations has shown on its website that, thanks to a large number of recently burned canine tokens, the burn rate of Shiba Inu has increased by a massive 256.13%. According to the data shared by Shibburn, which it took from Etherscan, over the past 24 hours, the Shib army has managed to send a total of 176,545,974 Shiba Inu, taking 29 transactions to achieve that. 11 minutes ago, according to the same source, nearly 1/3 of the total amount of burned Shib mentioned above was sent to an Inferno address in a single transfer, 49,250,514 tokens. New Shib burn portal emerges on horizon as covered by You Today over the weekend. Shib_Superstore Twitter account that represents the shop of game dev Travis Johnson, announced that the shop has listed a new website that burns Shiba Inu. However, it burns canine tokens based on website visits, while the shop allows the authors of the games presented there to earn some income. However, Johnson believes that this new website could be useful in shilling Shib burns to non-Shib holders. On Sunday, Shib_Superstore managed to remove 49.5 million Shiba Inu worth $609 at the exchange rate on that day. By now, the overall amount of Shib destroyed by this project since it kicked off last year totals 3.74 billion meme tokens. Earlier this year, the shop of Travis Johnson was added to an affiliate program of Amazon. Now, he is burning Shib tokens using the commissions earned on that too. According to an earlier tweet, so far in August, nearly 23 million Shiba Inu have been burned. By the way, if you want to support, please support by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. Doge and Shib have never been so close to losing their places at market cap top. Shiba Inu and Dogecoin positions in market cap top at great risk. It seems that two cryptocurrencies that stand out from the whole picture will soon have to move or give up their places at the top of the market capitalization. We are talking about Shib and Doge, which are ranked 12th and 10th, respectively. If Shiba Inu is new to this place, Dogecoin has been comfortably holding it for a long time, but given the trends, things may soon change. What is wrong with Shib and Doge at the top? The reason for the potential fall of both Shib and Doge from the top lies in who exactly is stepping on their toes. the general sentiment prevailing on the crypto market and what both of these projects can offer to the crypto space. For example, DOT, the token of the Polkadot project, is only $600 million behind Doge. Here it can be remarked that Polkadot, being an extremely strong fundamental project, has never had a capitalization of more than $55 billion, while Dogecoin has had up to $90 billion in its values. This is true, but Polkadot's development itself has been natural and harmonious, without pumps from eccentric billionaires who helped Doge to get to where it is today. It is more stable and has more chances for success. With Shiba Inu, the case is also ambiguous. On the one hand, the project is really interested in the comprehensive development of the brand, launching game FI projects and announcing Layer 2 solutions. On the other hand, right behind it are stablecoin DAI and Polygon blockchain. The first has all chances to increase capitalization in this period, when all investors hurry to risk off and cash out. As for Polygon, it was hard not to notice its successes recently, when the project came under the wing of Disney, and its infrastructure for creating DApps attracts more and more developers every day. Of course, predicting events on the crypto market is an unappreciated pastime, but with its gradual adulting and institutionalization, it seems that the main roles here will take fundamentally strong projects. Whether it will be Doge and Shib, at the end of the day, is debatable. Shiba Inu burn rate accelerates by 123% prior to Shibarium upgrade. As Shiba Inu is still trying to escape the relentless bears, a switch in the direction of the market price might come faster with the Shib army burning millions of Shib tokens by the hour. According to Shibburn, the burn rate of the popular meme coin has spiked by 123%, sending a gigantic amount of $127 million Shiba Inu tokens aflame in the last 24 hours. On top of that, one user sent over $15 million of Shib tokens to a dead wallet in a single transaction. This comes just weeks after Vitalik Buterin, the co-founder of Ethereum, announced that the date for the highly anticipated, the merge, is September 15, 2022. The hype surrounding the switch to proof-of-stake ignited the altcoin race a few weeks ago. However, the community behind Shiba Inu is waiting for their own update, the Shibarium. What to expect from Shibarium? Shibarium is a crucial upgrade to the Shiba Inu ecosystem. The Layer 2 solution will help reduce fees even further. Moreover, the Shibarium update unites all governance tokens of the Shiba Inu ecosystem: Shib, Bone, Leash, Treat, Shiboshis, and the upcoming stablecoin $Shi. While the stablecoin is still in the works, the relatively new $Bone governance token has already enjoyed the spotlight with 135% gains. In addition, the Shib army is actively voting on $Bone to be listed on several crypto exchanges. At the minute, only one Estonian exchange listed all three. With the demand growing, it's very likely that some of the most popular crypto platforms are going to list the Shibarium-related tokens in the near future. Shiba Inu price still in dire straits. The top dog-themed meme coin took a hit along with most of the other cryptos in the top 20 by market capitalization. At press time, Shiba Inu trades at 4013, according to CoinGecko. Frowning upon a 14.4% weekly deficit, Shiba Inu is accumulating strength for a walk in the green woods again, with a slight 2.1% profit in the last 24 hours. By the way, if you want to support, please support by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. Shiba Inu could burn at least 111 trillion within months. Here's how Shib Queenie, moderator of the official Shib Discord channel, speculated that at least 111 trillion Shib could be burned within 12 months. In her hypothesis about burning trillions of Shib, ShibaSwap 2.0 and the impending Layer 2 Shibarium are both expected to play significant roles. The Shib Discord moderator also anticipated that, in the coming months, DApps on Shibarium could cause the local ecosystem to burn trillions more Shib. The renaming of Shiba Inu lands in Shib Metaverse would make it possible to burn through billions of Shib. Of course, this does not include several other burn initiatives, which are currently recording millions and even billions of Shib burned in weeks. Shiba Inu price. Is this the bullish signal for 85% rally in Shib? Shiba Inu's community believes that 111 trillion Shib could be burned within the next 12 months. A massive Shib burn could be the bullish signal that Shiba Inu holders have anticipated. Shiba Inu price is ready to recoup its losses. Analysts identify rising formation in Shib chart. Shiba Inu community predicted a 111 trillion Shib burn, fueling a bullish sentiment among Shib holders. Shiba Inu's burn events have triggered a rally in the meme coin over the past 2 months. Shiba Inu community predicts 111 trillion Shib burn. Shiba Inu burn remains a hot topic in the Shib holder community. On Shiba Inu's community-focused Discord channel, Shib BPP shared a hypothesis of 111 trillion Shiba Inu burn within the next 12 months. The community's Discord channel moderator Shib Queenie believes that 111 trillion Shiba Inu could be burned within the next 12 months. This estimate does not include community burn projects such as the Shiba Inu burn portal and other events that are announced periodically. Shiba Inu community has several events lined up. The launch of Shibarium and Shiba Inu's metaverse push are the key events that could fuel a bullish sentiment among holders. Shib Queenie believes that the renaming of Shiba Inu's metaverse has the potential to act as a driving force for bullish sentiment among Shib holders. Since the launch of the burn portal, 410.37 trillion Shiba Inu tokens have been burned so far. The burnt tokens have been sent to dead wallets and permanently removed from circulation. This reduces the number of Shib tokens in circulation and is expected to drive the value of Shib higher. William Volk to showcase Shiba Inu game at the world's largest gaming event. The Shiba Inu game consultant will attend the gaming event to showcase the capability of Shiba Eternity. Shiba Inu gaming consultant William Volk has announced that he will attend the upcoming Gamescom, the world's largest video game trade fair. Volk recently disclosed on Twitter that he would attend the trade fair to showcase the Shiba Inu play-to-earn game dubbed Shiba Eternity. The gaming developer veteran also gave an insight about the game to keep the Shiba Inu community anticipating. Off to Gamescom to show off #Shiba Eternity, it looks so good. Volk tweeted. He added an image to the tweet, showing 2 bags he intends to take to the Gamescom trade fair while asking Shib enthusiasts to guess what could be in the bag. Guess what's in the bottom bag? The hint is on the top bag, he added. It is noteworthy that this year's Gamescom event is scheduled to run from August 24, 2022, to August 28, 2022. Gamescom is a video game trade fair held yearly in Cologne, Germany. The event is organized by an association of the German video game industry. A segment of Gamescom is dedicated to video game development named DevCom. Gamescom is considered the world's largest gaming event by its exhibition space and number of visitors. In 2018, the number of visitors who attended the event was 370,000, while 1,037 exhibitors from 56 countries were also in attendance. Volk hopes to drive mainstream adoption of Shiba Eternity when the game eventually launches. As reported by the Crypto Basic, with Shiba Inu game developers expecting massive adoption of Shiba Eternity, they increased the game server capacity by 50x to onboard more players. Wow! We had to increase the gameplay server capacity 50-fold to deal with the players coming in from the Vietnam test launch, Volk noted in a tweet. Shiba Inu's partnership with Volk. Recall that Shiba Inu lead developer Shitoshi Kusama announced a partnership with Volk last year. According to the announcement, Volk was appointed Shiba Eternity consultant, who will work directly with the game developers, AAA Game Studio. Volk's addition to the Shiba Inu ecosystem was primarily applauded by the community, given his expertise in game development. In 1991, Volk became VP of Technology at Activision and later co-founded the first game launched on the Apple Store. Thanks for watching. See you next video.